Alright, we had Terrell and Macho. Similar scenario. His initial defense was very strong and very convincing. He handled the distraction just fine. His foot could have been a little deeper in the car. His release was very clean. His post alert was very convincing. Passing that scenario. Handler attack from the rear. Entry defense was very strong. He handled the drive very well. His foot was very deep on the pursuit. His release, the only thing I can say about his release is that if you want to use his name and his release command, it's got to come out in one sentence. Watch it out. You'll watch out. That's two. So a little bit of point loss there. His disengage was very physical. But still past that scenario.